Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Signal how to transfer to new phone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to know is Signal on iOS doesn't support chat backups, but you can easily transfer everything using the transfer process. So the first is install Signal on your new phone. Go to the App Store, search for Signal and install it, and then once you do that, open Signal on your new phone. Follow the prompts to verify your phone number. You'll receive a verification code via SMS. After verifying your number on the phone, you'll be prompted to restore your backup if you created one earlier. Enter the two-word passphrases you saved during the backup process. Once your number is verified and chats are restored, you'll be set to use Signal on your new phone. Your old phone will remain active unless you deactivate it. Signal uses phone number for registration, so make sure your number stays the same. If you are switching to a new number, you'll need to update your phone number in Signal settings and then on your old device before transferring to the new phone. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.